this video I will show to you how to create an free account on AWS. So you need to go to the AWS Amazon.com here for their official website. As you can see here, I already has the account. So in this part, if you haven't have a account, you will see the create free account here button. So after that, you will be going to this windows wherein you will put your email, and then you will put your name of your account. So after verifying that, fill out all the requirements or the information needed. You will be having 5 steps to create on that, and you will do this sign up. You will enter your email address, create a secure password, and then choose the account name, and then after that you continue to enter details, other details when proceeding to the billing information, wherein you are required to have the account number or credit card or debit card for you to use the free tier, but it will not require you to pay pay for the free tier account on the AWS, but you need the detail of your debit card, and for that, after that, you're selecting a support plan depending on your needs, but on my case, I just go for the basic plan for free. It is just for the beginners, and that's all I needed, the basic plan. And then after the selecting the support plan, you need to identify your identity verification, wherein you will be going to complete the identity using your phone number. Just enter your phone number, and then follow other instruction and receive verification code. And after verification code, just enter the code, and then verify it, and then that's it. You will be walking through your AWS console. So I will showing you on how I log in to my account. Just logging into my account. System. I use my email, and then just next that, and then I just have my password, and then I already do the multi-factor authentication, so I'll be receiving on going through the Google factor authentication where I can get the code. Just enter it there. So as you can see here, we are here on my official console, wherein I select the nearest here, wherein I can, and then here my is my EID account, that, and then let's go to AMA dashboard. So I'll be walking through the dashboard. So as you can see here, I already put the or activate or manage the MFA. So as you can see here, you can navigate through this on this dashboard. You can create user group, user stars, you can have create the rules, policy. You can create the policy. You can select rules, create rules rather, and you can navigate for other services. Here, EC2 services that they offer. Instance. So that's it for this, for on how I created, how to create an AWS account, and you can explore some services here. Just search it here, and you can be you can enjoy the free services that AWS can offer. And I hope I help you to walk through. I am able to show on how to create an AWS account for free. So thank you.